do solemnly swear to accept the responsibility as a member of the Station Disaster Committee of the Moriones Tondo Police Station, Manila Police District, and agree to provide support and assistance in terms of manpower and equipment in the conduct of rescue and relief operation in coordination with other government agencies and its other members, that I am fully aware of the effects of the disaster and calamities, provide services to those in need as a member of the SDC, armed with vital knowledge of disaster preparedness to protect and save life from any calamity. So help me God. Congratulations to all of you.
Salamat po.